Testing of Hyundai HGN12 air circuit breakers. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then, we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And lastly, we perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 15 seconds. The same process is repeated for the second breaker. It is now clear that both air circuit breakers are operating successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.